Jewelers, 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 what is up? Today is all about tassels, tassels, and more tassels. Now, tassels are so in style right now. Tassels on the necklace, tassels on the earrings, tassels, tassels, tassels everywhere you look. Now, I am totally not a fan of the yarn material tassels, but you know what I am a fan of? The metal chain tassels, and that's exactly what we're going to make today, a necklace earring tassel set. But before we even get started, before I even show you what we're going to make today, I want to let you know that I am doing a free giveaway. That's right. You see this beautiful, cute necklace? It's a 4-in-1 necklace. I made it the beginning of the year on a video, how to do it. I totally told you how to do it, but I am doing a free giveaway, and your name can be entered in a drawing twice a week. So if you want to know more details or more information, go ahead and meet me at the end of my video, and I'll tell you all about it. But let's go on with what we have for today. So I have for you an necklace. Oh, look at that. A necklace earring set. I love it. I made it for a friend because I'm like, hey, I know you like to have matchy stuff, but I totally want to keep it. I totally want, oh my goodness, they're so cute. So let's get started and let me teach you how to make this cute matching tassel earring set. So let's go. So this is what you're going to need to make your chain tassel earring necklace set. Of course, you're going to need your tools. We have your long nose pliers and your round nose pliers. We have your cutter tools. I have my jeweler cutter tools and my electrician cutter tools. For material, of course, you're going to need chain because why? It's a chain tassel necklace earring set. So you're going to need a lot of chain for the necklace. This is a very, very long chain, probably 30 inches more, well, way more than 30 inches, 30, 40 inches or more. I have cut these chain that match the necklace chain. I have cut about 10 of these, and these are about 2 inches long, and they are a lot bigger length for the necklace than I have for the earrings. So for the earrings, I have a very tiny link for the chain tassel. I have cut 12 chain links that are about 1.5 inches long. They're so cute and so dainty. You know those necklaces you wear that the chain is really tiny and you put on a cute little pendant, but they always break because of the clasp and everything? Well, I cut my necklace apart because the chain broke and there was no point in making a new one. And so I cut it up into 12 1.5 inch long chains, and so 6 per earring. So we have our beads, right? I have my beads for my earrings and my beads for my necklace, and then I have shepherd hooks as well as head pins. I have 4 head pins, so 2 head pins for my beads for my earrings and 2 head pins for the beads for my necklace. And then that is all you're going to need. Pretty simple for the basic materials. Let's get started with making our earrings first. First thing I will do is I am going to put my head pin on my bead, and I'm going to do 2 loops, one on either side of the bead, and they're going to be medium size. I want to do medium size today for the fact that I'm putting chain on it, and I want them pretty uniform. So I'm going to loop it together with my round nose pliers. Going to loop that on the bead on one side, and then I'm going to cut the other side to make a medium loop. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to bend it back at a 90-degree angle. You're going to go to the middle of the plier nose and you're going to loop around, loop around, loop around, loop around, loop around. Yes, yes, yes. We are looping around to make 2 loops on both sides of the bead. So I have 2 loops, and now I want to put my chain through. I want to put my chain through, and so I'm going to take each chain, I'm going to go to one side and put my chain, the last link on my chain through the hook. Yeah, do you see that? I put it through just like that, and I'm going to do that with all 6 of them. Oh, that took me heck a long time to put all those chains on. Okay, so we're going to make sure that we have no gaps. So we're going to bring this loop and make a full circle. So we're going to bring it around, because if there's a gap, ladies, then the chain is going to want to come off, and that is not good. And so we make it so that the loop does not have a gap. Oh, no gap, no gap, no gap. Gaps are very, very, very bad, as I've always told you. Ha ha, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that chain tassel. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to open the top loop and we're gonna put it through our shepherd's hook. Gosh, how easy is this? But how cute are they going to be? It's going to be a set, ladies. This is going to be so cute, jewelers. So stinking cute, jewelers. I'm so excited. So excited. And so that is your tassel ear. Oh my goodness. So cute. So what you just did with that one earring, go ahead and do with the other earring as well. Oh, look, we have two cute chain tassel earrings. I love it. I love it. I love it. So then now we're going to make our necklace. So get your metal bead or your top bead and get your head pin and put it through, put it right through. And you're going to put a loop on both sides. So we're going to get our round nose pliers and we're going to pull back at 90-degree angles and we're going to loop it around to make a loop. So loop, 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 loop. Okay, and then we're going to do a 90-degree angle, and then we're going to make a loop, 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 loop around. So we have two loops on either side of the bead. How cute is that? It's coming into a necklace. I can see it. I can see it. Now, with our bigger bead, we're going to do the same thing. We are going to make a loop on either side, making sure the loops are a bit bigger so the chain can fit through. So even if your loop is small at the top, that is okay. So you have room for a bigger loop at the bottom for your links to fit on your loop. So I'm going to make a loop at the top. And then I am going to cut the head of the pin off so I have a bigger loop. And then we're going to pull back 90-degree angle and make a loop. And then pull out the loop to put the chains on. Okay, so ready to put the chain on. And I'm going to put all 10 of my chain on to make a tassel chain. How cute, how cute, how cute. Okay, got all my chains on, all 10 of my chains, and I'm going to close up the loop. Gotta close it up so there's no gap. Yeah, and that is so cute. And now let's connect the metal bead with the big bead. So I'm connecting my metal bead to my big bead, opening the loop and closing up that loop. Yeah, and then I need to connect my chain together. So this chain, I am just going to, instead of connecting it together to itself, I'm just going to connect it to the bead. So I'm going to open up my loop at the top. And the good thing about this necklace is you don't need a clasp. No clasp, jewelers. You just need to connect it to the bead. So putting it in. Oh, and as simple as that is, you have a fabulous matching set of chain tassels. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look at that. Isn't it so cute? And look at these earrings. Oh my gosh, I really love this set. Wasn't that so easy and so much fun? All your friends would be like, hey, where'd you get that? Hey, oh my gosh, I just want to buy it. You're like, girl, I can hook you up. Let me make you a set and give me some money for it. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So I hope you totally liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you totally liked this earring and necklace set. And then let's talk about the giveaway. So the giveaway, I'm giving this necklace away for free. That's right, for free. You can have your name entered in a drawing twice a week, and I will draw the winner of this beautiful necklace at the end of January. That's right, I'll go live on Facebook and I will draw a person's name. So here's what you do. When you comment on a video, then your name gets entered in a drawing. When you comment on one of my photos on Facebook or Instagram, then your name gets entered in a drawing. So you can have your name entered in the drawing twice a week. Now it can't be any profanity. It has to be an appropriate comment, but go ahead, comment on a video, comment on a photo on my Facebook or Instagram, and it has to be a photo or video of a 2018 in January that I posted it, okay? So it can't be from 2016. It can't be February of last year. It has to be January of this year, a photo or video, and you commenting on it. So yeah, go send me a comment. I'd love for you to have your name entered in the drawing to win. Oh my gosh, so this is so cute too. Oh my goodness. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for showing up and coming along with me on this journey of making jewelry. If you want to know when I post more videos, and click right here and subscribe my channel. And then here's one more of my videos I've done, and here's another video I've done. But that's all I got for you guys today. So comment, share, like, give me a big old thumbs up. I love you guys. Mwah! I'll talk to you later. Bye.